Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, you need to find Themes app. When you find it, click on it. Then choose Discovery section at the bottom right corner of it and tap on Font. Now choose Allow in the pop-up and click on the best font for you. I will go with this one. Now click on Download, choose Apply and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!